So we're off up to Wessenden waterfall. It's a bit of a grey day, which is a shame because it was sunny this morning. But it's fairly simple. You got the car park and then straight on the path. And from what I understand, there's 2 reservoirs. We get to the second one, go over it, not over it, yeah, past it, and then take a left, and then it's there. Dude down there in shorts. Oh, he's probably going to laugh at me taking my clothes off and going for a swim though, to be fair. There you have it, there's Wessenden waterfall. I'm not sure how much of that is man-made. You look around there, it's brickwork and the gates of Mordor. Beautiful place for a dip though, eh? So we're off to check out the slippery stones next, I think. So if you want to check out this location or others on Wild, then download Wild Otter. It's on the App Store and the Play Store, and it's free at the moment. So yeah, download it, have an explore, and enjoy yourself.